today I'm going to show you 3 different types of iced chocolate drink. Very simple to make. We're only going to use 3 major ingredients. One is cocoa powder. Make sure you use dark chocolate, 100% pure chocolate, unsweetened. And then of course we're going to use our half and half. If you don't know how to make this one, please check out my other video. And also we're going to use our sweetener, which is our simple sugar syrup. You can check out the other video on how to make simple sugar syrup. Because we're going to make 3 different drinks, I'm going to use a large measuring cup. In here I'm going to make good for 3 cups. Now the formula is 4 ounces or half a cup of hot water for every 16-ounce cup. So because I'm going to make 3, I'm going to put 1.5 cup of hot water into our measuring cup. Let's do that now. Use 1 scoop of your cocoa powder for every cup of 16 ounces. So we're going to make 3. 1, 2, 3. So there you have it. We have 3 scoops of dark chocolate powder into our hot water, measuring 3 cups. And then because I have a hand mixer or milk frother, I can use that to simply blend the water with the cocoa to make sure it's fully well combined. For the first cup, it's only plain chocolate. The formula is 15 ml or half an ounce of our sugar syrup, and then 1.5 ounce or 45 ml of our milk syrup. And then we need to put our 4 ounces of chocolate mixture. So that's 1.5, 3, and then 1 more 4 ounces of our chocolate mixture. So this is the first drink, simple dark chocolate. The second one, we're going to make mint chocolate. And then we're going to put our 4 ounces of dark chocolate mixture. So let's do that now. So that's 1.5, 3, and then 1 more. So that's our 4 ounces of chocolate. So here is our second mixture. This is mint dark chocolate. Now for the last one, I'm going to use red velvet chocolate. So in my measuring cup, I've got 1 tablespoon of red velvet powder, and I'm going to dissolve this in 1 ounce of hot water. So let's put hot water into the cup. Now into this, I'm going to add our milk syrup, which is 1.5. Still the same proportion, and 0.5 of our sugar syrup. By all means, you can skip the sugar syrup if you want it to be less sweet, but this is just right. It's not too sweet and not too bland either. Okay, so there you have it. I've got my red velvet mixed, and again, because I have my milk frother, I'm going to use the same to make sure they are well combined. So the electric milk frother is very, very useful for blending your drink. So making it really smooth and creamy. So there you have it. Now let's put our red velvet mix into our cup. And then let's put the rest of our dark chocolate mixture into this cup. Now I need to make sure they are well combined. So again, in goes our milk frother to make sure it is fully blended. Okay, let's just rinse our milk frother. Let's go to our next drink, which is the mint. So again, let's make sure it's well combined. Okay, and then the last one, which is red velvet. So let's mix together using our electric handheld milk frother. Okay, there you go. top it up, we're going to put different types of topping here. We'll start with using milk foam to top 2 of our drinks. So here's our fresh milk, cold milk, and then again we use our electric frother to froth the milk. Drink. And then our mint drink. But for the plain dark chocolate, I'm going to use our cream cheese topping. Good. Let's start with the red velvet. Wow, it reminds me of red velvet cake. Absolutely delicious. Very, very strong chocolate taste. And with a touch of red velvet. Now, mint dark chocolate. Now this absolutely reminds me of Christmas when I always get the mint milk chocolate. This is just as good as that. Make sure you give this a try. And finally, I think this will be my favorite. This is plain dark chocolate with cream cheese on top. So, because there's cream cheese, it's best taken without the straw. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely delicious. The cream cheese is perfect and the chocolate simply complements the sour and the salty taste of the cream cheese. This is an absolute must try. Well, as I have said, if there's no chocolate in heaven, you must have all of them right here on earth. Make sure you click the subscribe button so that you keep updated on all the new recipes that we post in this channel. In the meantime, enjoy your day, have a great chocolate day, and thank you for watching. Ciao for now.